We'll do a little pit walk real quick.
Yeah.
Might as well. We're out here. Kyle's car looking amazing. We've been getting some killer runs. I'm sure they'll have seen some clips spliced in by now. Big shout out to Redtiger for sponsoring us to be out here. We're gonna switch up location in a second, but check this out. We're out here in the taxi. Dan fixed this, but it broke again. That's unfortunate.
Because my car's so low, the tire rubs the fender.
Okay, what's your rear right now? Because I'm on a 255 with the new gear ratio. It's the best it's ever driven.
I'm at 215/40.
You're on the 215?
Yeah, it's kind of a small tire compared to what everybody else runs, but like 35 PSI.
Okay, okay.
And that's all I need. I mean, all right.
POV hop the wall. Let's see how he does it. Yeah. Streamers, camera guy, clutch, wall hop.
Clean.
We're gonna take a look at the Redtiger F17 Elite dash cam. This thing is pretty sweet. It records in 4K, 1080, 2.5K, full night color, Starvis 2. We're gonna unbox this real quick. We're gonna take a look. They also sent me the multi-size Type-C hardware kit. So some of the clips you're gonna see of the drifting literally was shot on this. I don't even think we really need to unbox that and make a mess of that. As you can see, multi-size Type-C hardware kit. We're out here at the Lock City Drift. Are we allowed to say what this actually is?
It's just a private day.
It's a private day. We're out here. It's chill. You can tell the vibe is pretty mellow. We're just kind of
bowling. It's
freestyling,
a good time, yeah.
So check this out, the Redtiger
Here, you wanna take the
F17 Elite. All right, let's take a look at this unit.
All right, looks like you get some instructions telling you what everything is here.
Dang.
User manual, electrostatic sticker, but here's the unit. Redtiger.
What is that?
It's the car plug. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, what? Is that the cigarette lighter hole thing?
I think this might be a camera. Is there multiple cameras in this kit?
Dang, I didn't know there was multiple cameras.
Like a inside facing and an outside fit?
I don't know.
That looks like it could be a camera. Or backup camera?
Is that let me see it.
Oh yeah, rear camera.
Oh, dang. Yup. It does actually come with a rear camera. That's pretty crazy.
And then this is also an inside-facing camera and outside-facing camera.
My hope was to mount this and do a 4 people or 5 people in the car.
Oh,
and get the front-facing
both reactions.
and the
Yeah. No, that's awesome. Looks like it comes with everything you need to use it. So that's always cool.
Sick. Yeah, check it out. Link in the description. Redtiger F17 Elite. Like I said, some of the clips you are about to see were literally filmed on this. We're gonna be using this for taxi cam, interior cam. It might get a good view if we're getting doors.
Oh, absolutely.
As well,
if it's like fisheye.
Yeah.
Dude, the rear cam, I wonder if that records. Like if I'm on your bumper, if you put this on the back bumper and inside and forward, we got 3 angles with this one unit here. So
definitely fire.
Pretty impressive.
Yes. Thank you, Redtiger.
Thank you, Redtiger.
Want some Skittles, gummies?
Sure. Wait, just soup kitchen my ass. Oh my god. Oh, fucker, dude.
You can't only have like a few of them. You know?
Thank you, Jamie. Man.
Oh,
dude, I'm
Are
like,
you live right now?
No,
Just
no.
video.
Get in the back, dude. You want to do a third?
You think it'll spin the tires? My ass in the back seat.
Yeah, with the water on, yeah. All right, we'll fix your shit. That's it. Is the video? Yeah, that's it. That's all we got. No, all right.
What do we got here?
We're gonna show how dummy-proof this is to install right now.
Okay, let's do it.
It really is that easy. We got the F17 Elite, as you guys already saw. Me and Kyle unboxed it. We are messing around with it at the track.
Dude, honestly, I need to get a dash cam because, like, I've been watching some reels and people do some sketchy stuff.
Oh, yeah.
You know, like, if you don't have a dash cam right now, like, trust me, I'm about to get one as well.
And
so.
this is sick because it's 3 views. Dude, it's got an interior cam, exterior cam, and rear-facing cam. 3 cameras in one, dude.
Look at that thing. So you pop it up just like this?
I believe so,
Dang,
yeah.
and you got the, I like
that's
that.
touch screen, that's the interior. Like, I was gonna use this for taxi at Clean Culture.
That's kind of sick. Okay.
Yeah, like, it's like a permanent GoPro now.
This is like sick for like Uber. Too,
Yeah.
You know? Like if you're like an Uber driver.
Well,
like
you could use this on your truck for insurance. Like low key.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
if someone fucks you while you're pulling the wedge, and that sticks on the back glass. Like out the back window.
So it films the back.
Yeah, like
too.
if someone rear ends you.
Okay. And this is just Bluetooth, obviously.
No, look. Rear camera cable.
Oh, sick. So it's just long enough that you just
run it under the trim like a audio install.
Nice. Okay.
So yeah, I guess let's pop that on there. Just peel. Yeah, it really is that easy. Peel and stick, dude. No, it's straight up that easy. Peel and stick.
You want to take this off?
Yeah. Take the plastic off of there. The satisfying peel.
Yeah.
Oh, you can aim it.
That's sick. All right. Where are we thinking? Like right here, a little up?
Yeah, that's probably good right
here.
Yeah.
We're going to stick it.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
We'll just hold it here for like 5 to 10 seconds.
Yeah, put good pressure on it.
Yep.
It even comes with a micro SD card pre-installed, dude. Who's doing that? You know what I
many
mean?
people,
yeah,
actually.
ain't no one doing that. What's
You just plug it into the cigarette lighter. Look at that.
Yeah.
Dang, super simple and
Dang.
you don't lose any functionality.
Yeah.
You know?
And I'll plug it into my rear cigarette lighter because it's manual swapped and we took all that out. Yeah. Oopsie. We got no cigarette lighter in the front, but the one in the back works.
Oh shit. So 4K 1080p. Not bad.
Yeah.
I wonder like if you can like use this for like drifting and stuff.
I mean, I'm gonna try it.
You know, like if you're like right up on someone's door,
Yeah.
if you didn't have the shot, like at least you can go back with this. Like that could be.
Let's get like Cousin Matt and like
Oh,
let's stuff
shit.
the car
Okay,
full,
okay.
dude. I'll cable manage this later.
Yeah.
We'll put that like out of the way. Oh. Okay. Wait, let's peel that.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
That almost looks like a live stream.
Yeah. It looks like live leak though. Like we're about to get shot or something.
Oh, that was
Dude,
really bad.
it's pretty. Hold on, let me zoom in from like way back here. But I mean, there it is.
Damn,
guys.
dude. It looks like good quality too. I feel like I could pop a fucking pimple.
Oh, jeez. Well, there we go. Redtiger F17 Elite. Ripping, dude. That thing is mint, dude. We gotta
Maybe
see
tonight,
what-
let's get into some activity, you know?
Okay.
And we'll film it.
Yeah.
Maybe
all
do
right.
a little fucking bumping in
Yeah.
Get it going. I like
All
that.
right. There it is. It's officially installed in the Haggard taxi.
Dang, that's sick.
I mean, dude, the road footage looks good.
Yeah, dude, it kind of looks like we're about to roll up the Dudley Town.
Yeah.
Dang, you drive like a grandma.
This is my default tune.
This is your default tune?
Yeah. Turn around. Grillo, you might want to hold on tight. We're going to whip a little shitter right
Little
here.
shitty?
Yeah,
We're about to
ready?
get shitty real quick?
Yeah, everyone hold on.
Okay. Oh, little clutch dump? Okay. Not bad.
How'd it feel back there?
Honestly, smooth. Yeah, honestly, it seems like you, I don't know more what you're doing.
Thank you, Grillo. This is only the end of my 12th year, you know, I
You're
better.
doing pretty good.
I better know what I'm doing.
You know, Grillo's really evolving, you know?
Like with the antics.
With being able to get in cars.
Yeah.
I like that Grillo. He just said, like, I didn't feel like I was going to die.
No,
Like, I like
but I
that.
also think it's the competence of the person driving that's handling this a lot better.
Oh, so you
Thank
don't
you.
you don't like
Thank
my
you.
driving? What's wrong with my
It's
driving?
not that you don't trust your driving. like,
you just get a little zesty.
It's just even like a trip to Epstein's Island seems more trustworthy than your drive.
Oh my God, bro.
dude.
That's crazy.
Roasted.
I'm kind of offended. That kind of hurts, man.
All right, on that note, let's wrap this up. We still got the Black Friday sale going.
Oh, yeah.
What are the details on that? Give us
Dude,
some prices, give us some numbers.
There is multiple items on the website right now that you can get for just $5. Like, I think there's at least 7 items sub $10.
Yeah, but you said the 4X shirts are way cheaper.
So we still have a ton of 4X t-shirts. We just sold out of 4X hoodies. So if you want a 4X t-shirt, you can get that for only $8 right now. And we're running that to the entirety of the end of the month. So super stoked on it. I mean, we've already sold a bunch of stuff. Dude, we have mint ratchet keychains, 12 mil ratchet keychains. We're selling for $8.
$8, boys.
It's not bad. We're selling.
I counted myself too. We have 10 medium taxi shirts left. We have 6 3Xs, and we have 12 4X taxi shirts.
Yeah, and after that, they're gone forever.
They're gone forever. Oh, we have 6 taxi flags left as well.
Yep.
So now is your chance to pick one of those up, because you might never not have the chance again. And I know a lot of people are like, dude, bring back this, bring back that.
It's not going to be brought back.
We're
It's
telling
over.
you right now.
It's over. This is your final chance. www.junkforless.net. Get your junk, and yeah, we'll see you guys later.